Hi guys, this is Joel with LUCA Watches. So today's just a short video to show you guys how to take out or replace some links in your watch bracelet. So the method I'm going to show you guys today will work probably with most bracelets that you'll get on the market today. Specifically, they'll work really well for any bracelets you buy with your LUCA watch. So there's a lot of different bands you can put on a LUCA watch. We all have the quick change system. So if you did get a bracelet, it's just like all of our other bands. You can easily remove it without any tools with our quick change system. So you don't have to go to a jewelry store or something like that, or any special tools. Also, all of the metal bracelets also have a system in here where it makes it really easy for you guys to switch out any links, make it longer, make it shorter, whatever you need to do. You don't have to go to a jewelry store. You don't need any special tools. So the only tool that you'll need would be something like this. Now, we do sell these on the site if you want one. They're not very expensive, and we send these out. So if you order a LUCA watch with a bracelet, we'll send this out. If you order just the bracelet, we'll also send this out. There's no extra charge or anything like that. Now, if you guys want extra pins or something like that because you bet one, or maybe you've lost it or something like that, just give us a call. We'll send you some pins out as well. So let's just get to the method that I'm going to show you on how to easily change out these links. Okay guys, so what we have here is a typical bracelet, right? This is a LUCA bracelet in particular. Now you'll notice on the bracelet that it's got these little arrows here, right? So that shows you what direction to push the pins to remove them. So if you look really closely, you'll notice that the pin is very round on this side, but then when we switch it over, hopefully the camera can pick it up, you'll see that it's not completely round. It's actually split at the end. And so what that does is, because it's two pieces of metal, it provides a little bit of friction that holds that pin in. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our tool, right? And this is the tool that when you buy a LUCA watch, it just comes with this tool. It's very simple. And all we're going to do is we're going to position it and push that pin out. So now we're going to position the band under here. And now we're going to line that pin up with our tool. And then once we feel like we've got it in position, then we're going to screw it down. And it doesn't require very much. And then pop. So that little pop tells us, okay, you've released that pin on the other side. So now we turn our tool counterclockwise to loosen it. And now, as you can see, the pin is loose. You can see that little fork at the end that I was talking about. So now we can just simply pull it out most of the time. Most of the time it's not very tight. Okay, so that's that. We've now taken that pin out. And here's another look at this pin, right? So you can see close up, right? We got a little fork on one end, and the other is just solid. Okay, so now if we want to put that pin in, I suggest that you do it in basically 3 steps. So the first step is that we're just going to get it started in that hole. So we're going to tap it very lightly. We're going to tap it very lightly just to get that pin started. That's all we're trying to do. Okay, so we've got that pin started. Okay, and it's not sticking out through here. Otherwise, if it was, we wouldn't be able to get the band in. Okay, so now step number 2 is we're just going to put that link back in there, position that hole and line it up, and just give it a little tap. Okay, good. Now it just takes a tiny tap. Now if you have to hit it hard, that means you don't have the hole lined up and you'll bend that pin. You don't want to bend that pin. That's the worst thing you can do. Okay, so now we've got that pin in. So now the hardest part is step number 3, and that is getting these holes lined up so we can hit the pin and have it go through. So my suggestion is instead of holding it like this and then trying to hit it, right? Because it's hard to do that with just 2 hands. It's easier to line that bottom hole up if you put it at a 90-degree angle. So put it at a 90-degree angle like this and make sure that hole is lined up, and then just give it a little tap like that. Okay, now that little tap was enough to get our pin completely in that other hole. And now if you wiggle it around, make sure it's nice and loose. And that's about it, guys. So all it is wash, rinse, repeat. As you need to take pins out, as you decide how many links to remove, it's just that simple 3-step process, basically. So guys, I hope this video helped. And if you have any questions, of course, just put them down in the comments below. I answer all the questions and comments I get. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We're going to be creating a lot more content these days, so if you find it helpful, just like and subscribe. So until then, hey, enjoy your watch, and guys, have a great day.